Run like the wind. Man, now your sister's a cowgirl.
Hi.
Man, look at her. Man, she had a gun and holster, cowboy boots, a hat. Woo! Yippee-yi-yo. Jacket. Yeah, man. Yippee-yi-yo. Yeehaw.
Do you like that? Are you having fun?
Yes. I want to keep going.
I want to keep going.
Yeehaw.
Yeehaw.
Yip, 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 yip.
Yip, 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 yip.
Yeehaw.
1, 2.
That's what a cowgirl says. Yip, 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 yip. Yeehaw. Giddy up, horse. Giddy up and go.
Why is this horse?
That's what you tell them. Giddy up and go.
Why is this horse a cow?
That's a cow?
No, they don't know what it
How's
is.
that a cow? Oh, it's got spots like a cow. So maybe it's a horse cow.
That's what Alexis calls it, a dairy cow.
Oh yeah.
I said, yeah, they used to have Elsie on the milk cartons.
Yeah.
Elsie the cow, that's what she was.
Yeah.
That girl who's riding?
No, that's a horse. That's called a pinto. Right there's a pinto. Black and white spots, that's a pinto. It's called a spotted draft. Right there, that horse is a spotted draft horse.
Hi, Ted. Yeehaw. Bye-bye.
Yip, yip, yip.
Bye-bye.
Lucy say yip, 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 yip. Yip, 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 yip. Yeehaw. Careful the branches.
Giddy up and go.
Giddy up and go. Good horse.
Good
Man,
horsey.
Destiny's trying to take you out in the trees, wasn't she?
You ready to stop? No. Oh.
I think the horsey's getting tired.
Yeah.
She's hungry and thirsty. You know how you was thirsty a
I
minute
did this
ago?
back there with Kansas kids for 2 hours.
Are you serious?
I told Rob and Ken, I said, you guys can walk them around.
Yeah.
Why? I don't trust a horse. I said, I'm tired. You know, I was tired of walking them around.
Yeah.
And there was 100-pound kids.
Yeah. You guys give the horsey kisses. Go pet her and give her kisses. Tell her thank you for the ride.
What about the other horse? You can kiss her face if you want to.
But thank you, Lacey.
Tell her thank you for the ride.
She said, how come she steps in her own poop? Well, she don't know what it is. How come she don't know what it is?
How come she steps in her own poop?
Yeah.
That's hilarious. Oh, give her kisses. Oh, bye, Lacey. Thank you.
Watch her fingers.
Yeah, they fed him when we was back there last time, and Haley kept going. When it get closer, she pulled her hand down further, and Ani, she just opened her hand and dropped it.
Yeah, that's off a big animal, you know. The little guys are pretty brave to do what they just done.
Yeah.